notation, maybe, maybe not, I'm not sure. So basically they're saying set A, it's a collection. It's the collection of the letters D, E, F, and G. B, set B is E, G, H, is that an L? L, M, and C is X, Y, Z. So then they're going A, U, B. Now what does that mean? Have you seen it before? What does it mean when you have a big U between two collections like that, two sets? Union, unite. Yeah, that stands for unite, which just means put both groups together. Just unite them. Just lump them all together into one big set. So but you don't repeat anything. So let's see what we got here. So we've got. I'll just write down A first. It's D, E, F, and G. That's just all the stuff from A. And then I'll just write all the stuff from B. But again, I'm not going to repeat. So like the first one is E, but I'm not going to write that down. I've already got E. Does that make sense what we're doing? It's like if we said, hey, everybody that's in this class and everybody that's in that class is going to go out and play soccer together or baseball or something. And, just because people are in both, like E is in both classes, he's not going to show up twice, right? You get the idea of what union is? It'd be like if I said, hey, our class and another class we're going to go out and we're going to play a softball game, and you happen to be in the other class also. That doesn't mean you're going to show up twice. You're just showing up, right? So we don't repeat anything. So how about the G? That's already there. How about the H? Now we list that one. The L and the M. We're done. Does that make sense? Put both groups together. No repeats. We never repeat things in a collection. We never do. In any situation ever. Because it's just a collection of things, of objects. Like we're a collection of people in this room. Right? I'm not going to say a name twice. I'm not going to say Janelle twice. Janelle is here once. Good? Does that make sense? Unless I say Giselle. Because which one's Giselle, right? Yeah, see, I get you guys confused. You're sitting close. That's right. All right, good. Let's do part B now. Part number 2, I mean. So what was the answer? It was D, E, F, G, H, L, M. It was right there. C, huh? All right, let's do the end. Let's do A. Now we're going to do number 2. A. And what is that? What does the U turned upside down stand for? Or what does it mean or whatever? What do you know? Do you know anything about it? It means overlap or intersection. Overlap or intersection. So the U turned over means overlap or intersection. It means what is in set A and in set B? What's the overlap of sets A and B? So if I bring them down here, just rewrite them real quick. Set A is D, E, F, G. And set B is E, G, H, L, M. E, G, H, L. So what's the overlap? What are in both sets? Okay, E and G, and just those two, I guess. So not H or F, or just those two. So A overlap C. How do we do A overlap C now? So A is what? D, E, F, G. And C is X, Y, Z. So what's in both sets? Nothing. How do we say nothing in set talk? We're entering this whole new world of sets. So in this little world, how do you say nothing? You ever seen this thing with a 0 with a slash through it? That means empty set. That means a set containing nothing. It's called empty set. Just instead of a normal 0, because it's not really like a number 0, it's a 0 with a slash, which just means there's nothing there. There's nothing. Empty set. Good? You don't want the set stuff around it. All right. So what's the number of elements in A overlap C? So A overlap C contains nothing. So when they put the little in front, they're saying, how many things? What's the answer to that? Well, 0. Just a normal 0, not 0 with a slash through it. That's a number. That's the number 0. And this is empty set. You see the difference? This one's a set. It's a collection of nothing. This is the number nothing. Okay? Now how about question number 6? A, what is A again? D, E, F, G, is that what it was? Yeah, D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G. And then united with the empty set. That's what they're saying here. A, set A, which we had above, united with the empty set. So if you take set A, D, E, F, G, and you remember union means you just combine them together. Well, you're adding nothing to it. It's just going to be set A again, isn't it? Does that make sense? Because U means unite together. Put them together. So you're adding nothing to set A. You're just going to have set A. How we doing? Is making sense? Good there? All right, let's move on. Remember, we're going to overlap set A, D, E, F, G. We're going to overlap that with the empty set. So it's the U turned over. So what's in the overlap? Nothing. The answer is empty set. Right? There's nothing in both sets because one of the sets has nothing. Empty set. It's funny it says none of the above and there's nothing above it. Sorry, I just noticed that. That's kind of a weird way to put an answer. Anyway, the answer is D there. Empty set. Good? See the difference then? Say back up here on this one was A, which was D, E, F, G. United. So that was just D, E, F, G. In other words, that was set A. Everybody see the difference between those? So on number 6, we united those together, so it just came out to be the same as set A. But in number 7, we said, what's in both sets? What's in the overlap? Nothing. Good? And number 8, what's the number in the union and what's the number in the overlap? So A is basically asking, what's the number of elements in the union? Answer to number 8. So what's A union overlap? It's that. So there's 4, right? And what's the number in the overlap? 0. Nothing. Nothing's in the overlap.